I'm a professional engineer by training, and a lot of my early years were spent on construction projects as a site engineer and a project engineer. And in that time there were 3 occasions when I came very close to being killed on serious near-miss incidents. Had circumstances been a little bit different, I would have been dead. So, and also at the same time I had a young family, so it had quite a profound effect on me as a person. And so I kind of made a commitment to making sure that I could do as much as I could to keep our workplaces safe.
Graham's personal commitment to safety came to the fore when Fletcher's was appointed to repair 80,000 earthquake-damaged Christchurch homes.
These programs were delivered by a very large number of contractors. So in the earthquake home repair program, for example, we've got 1,100 contracting firms and 8,000 workers.
But low safety standards led to predictions 1 or 2 workers could die each year of the rebuild.
It was a very fragmented industry, very low compliance in health and safety, and very unsafe.
Graham saw the rebuild as an opportunity to transform construction's poor safety record.
We set forth and set some minimum standards for the contractors across our programs. Minimum standards of PPE, hazard identification, site-specific safety plans, inductions, the identification of asbestos and other things.
Fletcher's devotes considerable resources to ensuring contractors know how to stay safe.
We introduced a program of Safe 6, which is identifying the 6 fatal risks that occurred in repairing homes. So I led the establishment of that Safe 6 committee.
Another initiative targeted asbestos.
So we introduced this really good program whereby we brought 10,000 workers together and educated them on the treatment of asbestos.
Graham also chairs a group of construction industry leaders who were brought together by the regulator to create the Canterbury Rebuild Safety Charter.
It's interesting because we compete in business, but together we're solving the issues of safety across the Canterbury Rebuild. And that's something I'm really, really proud of.
Graham believes leaders need to get personally involved in engaging contractors on safety.
Whenever there's a supplier forum or there's an opportunity for me to engage with our suppliers and our subcontractors, then I'll take it.
Leaders need to make themselves accountable for their contractors.
When I report safety through to the Fletcher Building Board, the performance of contractors across our projects is included. There's no differentiation at all. And so my performance is judged on how well our contractor and supply chain are performing, as well as all our employees.
The changes in safety practices are visible on residential building sites. They're also showing up in the data. Initially, injury and near-hit rates rose as Fletcher's insisted contractors report all incidents. Now they've turned a corner as contractors embrace safer ways of working.
Now we're getting acknowledgement from the people that were opposed most to some of the initiatives we're introducing, and they're acknowledging, yes, good safety is good for my business.
Graham believes there's an opportunity to extend the standards set in Christchurch to the rest of the country.
That's been a key goal for us, and already we're beginning to see tangible evidence of that. So standards around asbestos and also scaffolding that were established here in Christchurch are now extending throughout New Zealand.
So one legacy of the rebuild could be to demonstrate a new way of working with contractors, one that could transform health and safety in the construction industry.